everyone! Today I'm actually going to have a go at making a recipe. This is a recipe for protein balls and here is the end result. The recipe is on Hey Kels, the website, and it's made by Kelsey. And before I go any further, I should say she has a fantastic how-to video, so please go and watch that. I will link that below, including the recipe. But this is my go at it. The difference with what I have done is that I've actually used rice flakes as an alternative to rolled oats because mine needed to be gluten-free. Okay, so here we go. So we've got a cup of almonds and the gluten-free alternative that I'm using to rolled oats is rice flakes. I'm not sure if that's a good alternative, it's just the one that was available, to be honest. And the recipe says that we put those both into the blender and let it go until we get a crumb mixture. Okay, it says add the rest of the ingredients, excluding the dates and water. Alright, so we're putting in our cranberries. Yum! Pepitas. Oh, and also, oops, almost forgot our cacao. There it goes. And we have to pulse until they're broken down. That looks pretty good to me. Kels, it looks amazing already. Just saying. Alrighty, the dates. We only need 5 dates. Why did I put more in a bowl? Because they are delicious. And I will have some for morning tea. 5 dates, very roughly chopped. And we are to add them to the blender with the warm water. So that's 2 tablespoons of warm water. In it goes. Okay. Now we're to blend for 1 minute or until it can't blend anymore. Where we go. Oh, it can't blend anymore. Right, so oh my goodness, it smells amazing. Now, probably if I had found the cutting attachment to my blender, the pepitas and the cranberries would be broken down a little bit more. They're not, but that's okay, I don't mind a bit of a crunchy protein ball. We are to start mixing with your hands until all the ingredients are incorporated, so let's do that. It really does smell amazing. You know, I wish smell-o-vision were a thing. You're just gonna have to make it. Trust me, it smells amazing, so I reckon it's gonna taste amazing. So we take a little bit of the mixture and make a ball. There we go. And so it's not overly sticky. Put it in the coconut. And voila, my clean hand, 1 protein ball. Thanks, Kels. She says you repeat the process and once it's complete you can store it in the refrigerator and it's ready to eat. So these are my gluten-free protein balls. The recipe was really easy to make. It was really quick to make, so it hasn't taken much time out of my day, and I'll now go and keep illustrating. But, you know, it was fantastic. So I'm going to try one. And I hate eating on camera, by the way, guys. Anyway, here we go. Cheers. know what though, that is delicious. I think, as you see, absolutely delicious. Look at that. So it was a bit crumbly, and I was wondering actually when I was putting it together if I should have put a little bit more water in. So I'd say if it's not quite sticking really well, maybe a little bit more water might be the way to go. The other alternative I thought of is a little bit of honey. So you might want to put a bit of that in as well, just to help it really stick together. But that is delicious, and that's going to be a fantastic, really healthy alternative to so many other foods that I could be having. And that'll make a great snack while I'm working. So I hope you give it a go. As I said, it's all linked below. Let me know if you do. Give it a go. See ya. My friend told me you had